Namaste everyone, welcome back to Konkan Food Trails. Today we are making bottle gourd semolina pancake or Gardudde Rulava dhoddak. Let's see how to make this recipe. I have a bottle gourd here. I'm just gonna use 1/4 portion of it. This bottle gourd is very tender. There are no seeds. So if there are seeds, just discard the seeds. Do not add it. Peel the skin. Using a box grater with larger holes or coarse grater, I am shredding the bottle gourd like so. Now to this add half a cup of coconut, 2 green chilies cut into smaller pieces, 1 teaspoon salt. I haven't added sugar, but you can add 1 teaspoon sugar, it's optional. Mix all of these ingredients well. Add half a cup of curd or yogurt and mix it well. Add 1 cup of unroasted semolina or uppit rava. Mix to form a dough. Bottle gourd leaves too much of water when it comes in contact with salt. So add water as required. I am adding 1/4 cup of water and consistency should be like a soft butter. Adjust the water quantity as required. Keep this aside for 15 minutes. Heat a cast iron griddle. Add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil and spread it. Take a ball-sized stove. Keep the flame on lowest setting and gently pat to flatten the dough. No need to use butter paper, banana leaf. You can directly pat it on the tawa, but keep the flame to the lowest setting like so. To this add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil and cook it for 4 minutes on one side, keeping the flame on medium-high heat. I use coconut oil because it has multiple health benefits, so try using coconut oil in your cooking. Now flip it and cook for another 4 minutes on other side until it is golden brown in color. Like you see, it's golden brown in color and ready to serve. Serve this Rulava dhoddak with chutney powder and ghee on the side. This really makes a good lunchbox recipe as well. Please do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section below. Like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.